And it's not gob. Just because they haven't seen me for a while, don't fucking not expect me. Right here's a real fucking piece of shit. Went past this place a couple of days ago. See, they thought they were safe tonight. I think they only come out at one certain time of each night, which they don't. This little gob really hates being fucking recorded. The camera's gonna be on this little prick now. Fucking knob gob. That's what I mean, just do your fucking job. I won't be saying nothing. Making sure I already have a little console pricks that know I'm around. Hiding behind that van there. Right, let's go and get a look at where he's parked his fucking ute, eh? Little cunt's just been giving me the finger there. Saying goodbye, dickhead, and all that shit. He keeps coming back to the bloody seats over there, checking out where I am. Can you say paranoid? And right now, there he is by the seats again, checking out where I am. phone to his mummy and or daddy. Help me, please. Big scary guy with a camera. Don't change my fucking nappy for me, please. I pissed myself. Well, what a surprise. 197 violation, yet again. I think I had all the fucking car spots down there to park at, yet can't choose us to fucking park right here in front of the fucking train station. CX59EL. Yes. This is what we call a half-assed job. What have you done down here? I've seen him come down from here. Yeah. All this fucking shit's still hanging around. It's what Nobgob and the other fucking council workers are being paid to do. Half-assed fucking job. Fuck that. See, I could keep going around tonight, record Nobgob and Co, but I got better things to do with my time. Besides, I've accomplished what I set out to do tonight. Nobgob's already fucking rolled up now just because he's seen me. Oh, and here's another one. SC2 again. And that's the type of professionalism you can expect from constant fucking workers. Actually, you know what? Fuck it. I was going to head on back, but